Alrighty, welcome back to Top Garage. Black Friday has arrived. It is officially the best time to buy truck parts. Shop Modern Diesel. Massive discounts going across the whole list of parts for your Powerstroke. All right, now that that awkward intro's over with, I wanted to hop on here today and make this quick video because there's still a lot of confusion around the 23 to 24 Powerstroke. So long story short, there are tunes available for the 23 to 24 Powerstroke through the EzLynk platform, which is amazing. It makes it way easier if you guys are familiar with the EzLynk platform or you have used it in the past. It is absolutely epic. Check out this 23-24 Powerstroke that has a tune on it through the EzLynk. Oh my gosh. Yep. Yeah, buddy. All right, now real quick, this tune is a improved stock tune. The power added tunes, the power increased tunes are not there yet. This file for the 23-24 is an actual high output file, and it is modified as much as it can be modified. There's so much misinformation out there through Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, you name it, that is just butchering this whole entire situation. Okay, so very, very simple. 23-24 6.7 Powerstroke, high output tune, actual high output tune, improved stock, available through the EzLynk platform. I don't know how more crystal clear I can be on that. So that specific tune that you see here on this truck is about 520-ish to 530-ish wheel horsepower, depending on the day, depending on the dyno, depending on the dyno operator, depending on the truck. There's so many variances that can play into getting a high or low dyno number. So the general rule of thumb is 520 to 530 wheel horsepower and about 1,200 foot-pounds of torque. Foot-pounds or pound-feet, say whatever you want. And right now, Black Friday to Cyber Monday, the sale will end Monday night at 11:59 p.m. You're gonna get hundreds off. Depending if you go stage 2, stage 1, or just a tune file, you get a bunch of money off, which is the biggest sale event of the year. I guess you could say that, absolutely. So if you need an EzLynk, you can get one. If you already have an EzLynk, you can use that one. The stage 1, the stage 2, or the tune file will all come with the same tune. There is no tuning change between the 3 kits. It is the same tune across the board for right now. So the main things that you're gonna notice driving a truck with that on it, with that file, is improved throttle response. The drivability is tremendously increased. It will literally put a smile on your face. Obviously, you have more power, which, you know, is a little bit more. It's not like the crazy 220 horsepower ad, but, you know, there is a 40-ish horsepower gain with this tune file. It's very seamless. There's no check engine lights. It's a full optimized file for the 23 to 24 HOs. And yes, you can put an HO file on a standard output 6.7. I'm trying to knock out any question that I normally get hit with 100 times a day. Next thing to answer is, so if you have a 23 to 24 Powerstroke, 6.7 Powerstroke, and you have your downpipe fail, like say you need to put a new factory downpipe on and you have to get the old one out in order to fix the truck. Okay, so getting those downpipes out is hard if you don't know what you're doing, but very easy if you know the trick. It's not really a trick, but I'm gonna show you. This is very heavy. All right, so this is a downpipe of a 23-24 Powerstroke. Yes, they are huge. Yes, they are completely different than the previous generation 6.7. So the easiest way to do this is to, if your downpipe fails and you have to get a new factory one from Ford, I'm not saying anything else but that, you have to go in through the wheel well, passenger side of wheel well, pull the inner fender liner there's an elbow that comes off the turbo. So your turbo is sitting right here up in the truck. You have a factory elbow that comes off the backside of the turbo and it'll connect here. It's essentially a two-piece downpipe. So what you're going to do is you're going to disconnect off of that elbow, disconnect the mount off of the cylinder head or the block, whichever one it is, 2 bolts, and then you have to cut it. This is the quickest, easiest way to get these things out for a factory replacement. You make one cut right here behind the flex elbow. So step 1, disconnect it off the elbow. Step 2, remove the bolts holding it to the cylinder head. Step 3, make the cut behind the flex pipe. Now that can come out, that's very self-explanatory. You pull the 3 bolts off of the connector piece that goes to the DPF, then you can remove this section. Now you're left with this thing still attached to that factory elbow, because yes, you can loosen this clamp, but it's stuck onto the elbow. So what you're going to want to do, it's very simple. You take a ratchet strap right around here in front of the flex pipe, down and around the control arm. So you're going to come over this, around the control arm, back up, loop it, ratchet strap. Once this is out of the way, you'll be able to tighten this ratchet strap coming around the control arm, the radius arm. Picture a radius arm right here coming off your front axle when it mounts to the frame back here. Ratchet strap coming around, tighten that ratchet strap. It'll pull that off of the elbow coming off the turbo. You leave the elbow connected to the turbo, you leave that. And then you have your downpipe out. So then you take your new downpipe, you slide it up in, you slide it back up onto the elbow, you tighten that, you put your 2 bolts back in, holding it to the cylinder head, and your new downpipe is in. It's that easy, and it literally takes 15 minutes. It takes you longer to make the cut than it does to pull all this out. And I'm going to repeat once more. That is to replace the factory downpipe if you have something in this fail and you have to replace this. That is how you get those out. Very, very simple. And then, you know, once you have that done, you can finish out the rest of the deal as you normally would with any previous generation 6.7 Powerstroke. The EzLynk flashes the tune on the same way. The rest of the stuff goes in and out just like it always has, and you're done. I hope this will help answer any questions, because there, like I said, there's been a lot of confusion. A lot of confusion around the tuning and a lot of confusion around this downpipe. But all right, guys, that is it. Don't forget Black Friday. Do it now. Do it, do it, do it. Biggest sale event of the year. It's going to run until Monday night. I might take this video down after that. I might leave it up. I don't know. But all right, I will see you guys on the next one.